Hello, beautiful soul. Welcome to this meditation of tranquility and renewal. If you're feeling down or stuck, we're going to show you how to get out of it, starting today. The way you feel in this moment is creating what comes next. So it really matters to change that. Let's do it together.
Feel the warmth of the summer.
Like we talked about last time, your subconscious is always working in the background, shaping your life based on whatever you keep focusing on. It doesn't distinguish between what you want and what you don't want. It simply responds to the dominant thoughts and emotions you feed it. So whether you're fixated on a desire or a fear, your subconscious begins turning that focus into your experience. When you're caught in anxiety or depression, it often feels like life is working against you. But the truth is, it is you who draws everything to yourself. You asked for it, whether you realized it or not. Everything surrounding you right now, including the things you might be frustrated with, such as your circumstances, your job, your financial situation, or even the people who seem to drain your energy, these didn't just happen to you. Whether consciously or unconsciously, you brought them into your life. Why? Because your subconscious has been responding to the negative thoughts and emotions you fed it. This entire situation is a physical manifestation of your thoughts. When your thoughts and emotions are rooted in negativity, when you're constantly fearful, frustrated, or angry, your subconscious will bring that reality into your life by attracting negative, angry people and experiences. This, in turn, deepens your anxiety and depression, causing you to focus even more on how bad things are. And as you dwell on that, your subconscious continues to create more of it. It becomes a cycle, a seemingly endless loop of negativity that feeds itself. But it doesn't have to stay that way. You don't have to keep reinforcing what's not working. The key is not to escape, but to shift your focus, to gently redirect your inner compass towards something better. Focusing on what you fear only magnifies that fear. And worrying doesn't protect you. It prepares your subconscious to deliver more of the same. But when you're low, it's hard to think high. When you're stuck, it's hard to feel free. Your mind searches for a way out, but all it sees is what it wants to avoid. So here's a new approach. Start with your emotions. If you're feeling stuck in sadness or fear, don't force yourself to think happy thoughts. Instead, shift your state. Stand up, open your posture, lift your head, breathe deep, move your body. Listen to your favorite song, sing along. Look at yourself in the mirror. Smile at yourself. Laugh. Even for a moment, let go of all your worry and feel good. I've told you this before, and I'll say it again. Emotions don't control actions. Actions control emotions. If you carry yourself like you're depressed, breathing shallow, slouching, and looking down, your emotion will stay in that state. But the moment you sing, smile, or move, you interrupt that cycle. If you sing along to your favorite music, I bet you won't feel depressed in that moment. And that moment is enough to start the shift. These simple actions send a new message to your subconscious. When you begin to feel good, that emotional shift creates a ripple effect. Your subconscious starts to respond to that signal and looks for more experiences, people, and moments that match it. The better you feel, the more you draw in what supports that feeling, and it lifts you gradually and steadily into a higher state of being. You have more control than you think. Every time you change your state, you give your subconscious new material to work with. So make today a good day on purpose. And when tomorrow comes, choose again. Your subconscious will respond with new opportunities, better relationships, and more peace. Now, let's begin planting a clear vision of the life you truly desire into your subconscious through meditation. Let it become absolutely clear in your mind what you want. Your new idea must be felt as if it is already real, already complete. When you feel it in its finished state, your subconscious mind will begin working to guide you toward it in ways you may not even expect. All you need to do is figure out where you're going. You don't need to know how. Your subconscious mind will find the best route to get there. With that, it's time to begin your meditation. Find a comfortable place to sit. Let your body settle. Close your eyes gently. Allow your spine to stretch. Lift your chin just slightly. And let your shoulders release any tension they're holding. Take a deep, steady breath in and let it go. Again, inhale fully, allowing your lungs to fill with fresh air, and exhale slowly, sinking deeper into calm. Continue breathing at your own pace. Let each breath be a gentle reminder that you are safe, you are supported, and you are allowed to let go. Let your breath settle into its natural rhythm. Visualize a soft, glowing energy gently flowing from the crown of your head, moving slowly down through your entire body. With each inhale, invite in the calming energy of rest and renewal. With each exhale, release any remaining tension or stress. As you continue to breathe, your mind may wander. It might try to solve problems, fix things, or revisit old fears. And that's okay. You don't need to figure everything out today. Simply notice those thoughts without judgment and gently return to your breath. Let your attention rest on the natural rise and fall of your body. No need to change it, just observe it like a quiet rhythm moving through you. Stay here for a moment and allow yourself to fully receive this feeling of deep relaxation and ease. With every inhale, imagine you're drawing in peace. And with each exhale, gently create space for stillness within. Keep breathing slowly and naturally, letting your breath lead you into deeper calm. There's nothing to fix, nothing to force. Just allow yourself to settle into this moment exactly as it is. Picture a warm, golden light surrounding you. Soft and radiant, like morning sunlight through trees. This light is here to soothe, to comfort, and to restore you. Feel it wrap around your body, quieting every part of you that has been on edge. This light is filling your subconscious with calm, with clarity, and with trust. Bring your awareness to a new vision, a life that flows with ease. Picture yourself waking up in the morning, feeling excited and grounded. You notice you're lying in your dream home, surrounded by comfort, warmth, and beauty. The space feels peaceful and safe. You're surrounded by people who truly love and care for you. You feel supported, valued, and connected. You are living in abundance, filled with security, freedom, and joy. Everything you need is already here. Let that vision expand. Make it vivid. See the colors, the space, the light. Hear the sounds, laughter, soft music, or peaceful silence that feels nourishing. Feel the textures, the air, the joy. This is not fantasy. This is the reality your subconscious is learning to create. Feel the emotion of it: gratitude, peace, confidence. Let it sink into your being. Your subconscious responds to feeling more than words. And right now, it's receiving a clear message. This is who I am, and this is the life I allow in. Let this feeling root deeply within you, like a seed settling into fertile soil. Take one more deep breath and exhale slowly. Bring your attention gently back to your body. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Keep your posture and carry the energy of this moment with you for the rest of the day. Today is a great day. you've planted a powerful vision today. Remember this: you do not need to know the exact path forward. Your subconscious will chart the course. Do not entertain doubt. Do not question whether it will happen. Fear creates more of what you fear. But belief opens the door. Let this be your shift, your moment of alignment, your beginning. You are becoming exactly who you were meant to be, and your subconscious is already catching up. If this meditation spoke to you, I'd love to hear how it made you feel. Share your experience in the comments below and let me know what you'd like to explore next. Your journey matters, and I'm honored to be part of it.